Hi friends, these tips come directly from technicians at this appliance repair shop who have extensive experience with these types of problems. So let's get this issue fixed. When a Whirlpool stove displays the F2E1 code, the first thing is not to panic. This error shows up more often than many people think. At the shop, we've seen it quite a few times, and we've also reviewed a lot of information from repair forums, customer comments, and technician experiences to give you a clear explanation of what's happening and how it can be fixed. Something we hear very often when customers arrive at the shop is, the stove started beeping on its own and F2E1 appeared on the display. Others tell us they were using the oven normally when suddenly the panel stopped responding or started showing the error without anyone touching the buttons. These kinds of signals almost always point to the same place, the stove's keypad or control panel. That's why the first thing we usually check is the panel's keypad, also known as the touchpad. This component detects when you press buttons to control the stove. Over time, heat from the oven, kitchen grease, or even moisture can cause a button to send a constant signal even when no one is touching it. In fact, several customers have told us things like, the stove started beeping as if someone was pressing a button. As one of our technicians explains, when the board thinks a button is stuck, the system triggers the F2E1 code to prevent operational errors. We also check the connections between the keypad and the electronic control board. In many Whirlpool models, a flat cable connects the panel to the control board, and heat or regular use can loosen or wear this cable. Some customers who looked into the problem before coming to the shop mentioned that after unplugging the stove for a few minutes and plugging it back in, the error disappeared temporarily, often indicating that the communication between these components isn't stable. Another point we check is the control board itself, because in some cases the issue isn't with the button, but with how the electronic board interprets signals from the panel. Technicians active in repair forums often mention that when the F2E1 code continues to appear even after inspecting the keypad, the next suspect is usually the control board. We also frequently see dirt or grease build up on the front panel at the shop. It may seem simple, but with heavy cooking, steam and grease can get into the edges of the keypad and trigger false signals. Some customers told us that the error appeared right after cleaning the stove with a liquid product or after cooking something that generated a lot of steam in the kitchen. Even before thinking about replacing parts, many technicians recommend doing a power reset on the appliance. Basically, this means unplugging the stove for a few minutes so the board can restart. Several customers have told us things like, I unplugged it for 10 minutes and the error stopped appearing for a while. This doesn't always fix the problem permanently, but it helps confirm that the issue is coming from the electronic system.